All right, guys, I had a great day today. One and done trade on Walgreens. And so if we look at it here, Walgreens was really, they missed their earnings pretty bad. So they're bearish right at the open, strong downward volume. We had, if you look on the 1 minute chart, we had this really nice pullback here. And I was watching it and I wanted to take it short if it got near 40. But I was actually watching BBBY. Bed Bath & Beyond. They had similarly bad news, but they were on SSR, so I actually wanted to short this stock around here. I was watching it, and I was trying to get in, but whenever it's on SSR, you can only get filled on an uptick in price, and so I kept putting in limit orders, and it just wouldn't hit it, and sometimes it would hit the price target, but it wouldn't give me a fill, so it was pretty frustrating, but I'm glad I didn't let that get to me too much, because then, of course, it was a short, but I couldn't get into it, and I just watched it fall without me. But I flashed back to Walgreens here, and I had seen earlier that 40 was an interesting level, and it was near VWAP and all these other moving averages. So I wanted to get in at 40. So I got in here at 39.90 as it started falling back down. I partialed out along the way here. These partials because it stagnated here a bit near low of the day. And then when I saw this descending triangle form right here, I went ahead, I liked what I saw, so I actually added back in. So I added back to my position, and then I basically partialed my add in back out after I gained about 21 cents off of it. And on level 2, there were huge bids at $39. So I was really confident this was going to get down to $39. And you can see on here, these yellow lines are my levels I marked from the daily chart. And so I was really confident. So I added back in here. And when I added, this was also forming a nice little descending triangle right there. So I added back in there to get to 39. Unfortunately, I got a little bored. I had already made my day, and I got shaken out. So you see it comes back up, and this volume had just happened, so I saw that this is like, weaker relative bullish volume and then stronger bearish volume, and I really should have known to stay in, but I kind of thought maybe the pattern was going to fail. There might be a short squeeze back to 39.50, and I really just didn't want to go through that process, so I got out here, and then right after the move I wanted to happen happened for that last share. So it was still an amazing trade for me. I'm very happy with my day, but I did a good ad here, and this is a good ad too, but I didn't have the patience to get rewarded on it. That was my day. Hope everyone else out there had a great trading day as well, and hopefully I can follow up with another good Friday.